Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Pasta is the quintessential comfort food, and when done right, can make you healthier tomorrow than you are today. Instead of choosing traditional pasta made from refined white flour that has pretty much zero healthy features, choose the pastas made from beans and legumes that are just as delicious in texture and flavor as standard pasta. Bean-based pastas are now widely available in all grocers from many brand names. With this simple switch, you get much more fiber, much more protein, as well as vitamins and minerals, and improve weight control. Popular brands that are widely available are Banza, Barilla Protein Plus, and Explore Cuisine. And be sure to cook your pasta al dente, or to a bit firmer texture, as this will further lower its glycemic response, which means a leaner waist for you. Click the link in today's email to see one of my favorite bean-based pasta recipes.